Good morning, students. Today we are starting the new chapter, chapter 12, area related to circle. In this chapter, the deleted portion is finding the sector area and segment area. Sector area and segment area of the angles. Segment area of the angles 120. Area of the angles based on 120 degree. Based on 120 degree. This is deleted. The remaining we have to do. Now let us start the chapter. Circle, you know, we have done the chapter circle in 10th chapter. Locus of a point which moves in such a way that the distance from a fixed point is in the plane is constant. Fixed point is called center and fixed distance is called radius. Now, first formula from this in 11th, 12th and 13th chapter, there are a number of formula. You have to learn it by heartly. First of all, area of the circle is equal to pi r square, that you know. Now, second formula is what is area of the semicircle. Area of a semi means half. Semicircle is half pi r square. Now, what is the perimeter of a circle? Perimeter of the circle is known as circumference. Perimeter of a circle is equal to the circumference of the circle. Circumference, the formula is 2 pi r. This is the formula that you know from the lower classes, and exercise 12.1 is based on this formula. Before that, before starting this, let us, this is chapter 12, let us study about what do you mean by sector of a circle. Before that, what is the angle subtended by an arc at the center of the circle? Angle subtended, you know in class 9th, angle subtended by an arc at the center of the circle. At the center of the circle. How we can find this? What is the meaning of this statement, circle? I am drawing a circle. Suppose that this is circle and this is the center. I am taking the arc AB. Now, the angle made by the endpoint of arc with the center of the circle, otherwise the angle made by joining the endpoint arc with the center, that is angle made by an arc and the radii joining the endpoints of the arc. Arc और उसके endpoint से जो radius बनता है, इस angle को कहते हैं central angle. That you know in class 9th. Now what do you mean by sector? And this angle is denoted usually as theta. Sector of a circle. Sector means this is the shape of the sector. Sector of a circle. This one is sector. Sector of the circle is the region bounded by an arc of a circle as well as the radius joining endpoints of the arc. I am taking this two radius and arc. This region is called sector. If I show it separately, let it be like that. This is arc and these two are the radii joining endpoints of the arc. Now this region is called sector. And this angle is denoted by the letter theta and radius as r. Then sector area. How we can find sector area? Sector area can be found, no need of any derivation of this one. Sector area is found out using the formula theta by 360 into pi r square. क्योंकि सेक्टर सर्कल का हिस्सा है, सर्कल का एरिया पाई आर स्क्वायर होता है, उसमें से हम इतना पार्ट ले रहे हैं, इसका रेस्पेक्टिव रेशियो थीटा बाय 360. दिस इज थीटा, टोटल एंगल इज 360. नाउ हाउ वी कैन फाइंड लेंथ ऑफ आर्क AB? लेंथ ऑफ दिस इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द फॉर्मूला. लेंथ ऑफ आर्क कहां से बनता है? पेरीमीटर से. पेरीमीटर मींस सर्कमफ्रेंस. देन लेंथ ऑफ द आर्क AB. Here we have taken arc is AB. Or you can write as this way, arc AB is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r, because arc is coming from the circumference. Here it is area, is the circumference. Now what do you mean by segment? This is little bit difficult. Segment of a circle. Segment of a circle. Circle का part है. I am drawing a circle and I am taking the arc as AB and this angle as theta. Now this region is called segment. Segment is, if I draw it separately, segment will be like that. in this way. No, that means semicircle is also segment. Segment is the region bounded by an arc of a circle and the chord. This is chord joining the endpoints of the arc. एक आर्क भी होना चाहिए, आर्क का एंड पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करने वाले जो कॉर्ड बनता है उस रीजन से जो एरिया बनता है दैट इज सेगमेंट. नाउ हाउ वी कैन फाइंड सेगमेंट एरिया? सेगमेंट एरिया कैन बी फाउंड आउट बाय सब्ट्रैक्टिंग ट्रायंगल एरिया फ्रॉम सेक्टर एरिया. दैट मीन्स segment area is equal to sector area, respective sector area minus triangle area. If triangle is this angle is 90 degree, you can find area using the formula half BH. If this angle is 60 degree, you can find area of triangle using area of equilateral triangle, that is root 3 by 4 s square. And 120 angle is deleted. Now, one more formula I am giving you that if you can learn it by heartly, quite okay. Otherwise, this is NCERT method. The formula that I am going to say is from R.D. Sharma. If you can learn it, okay. Otherwise, you can use NCERT method. That is segment area. Segment area is equal to pi theta by 360 degree minus sin theta by 2. थीटा के नीचे 2 है, होल अपॉन नहीं है, एंड cos थीटा बाय 2 एंड होल मल्टीप्लाइड बाय r स्क्वायर. Once more I am writing pi theta by 360 degree minus sin theta by 2. Theta 2 is only for theta. Students used to write whole upon, then it will be completely wrong. Cos theta by 2 into r square. This formula also you can use. This is RD method. NCERT you can direct subtract the area of triangle from area of sector. Now let us start. These are the concepts of chapter 12. Now let us start exercise 12.1. All the solved examples also you have to do. Exercise 12.1 NCERT. First question. I am reading the question. The radii of two circles are 9 and 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of two circles. You are given two circles whose radii are 19 and 9 centimeter respectively. You are asked to find the radius of another circle whose circumference is sum of these two. Now let R1 is equal to given radius 19 for comfortability. लिखने के comfortability के लिए लिख रही हूँ. And R2 equal to 9 centimeter be the radius. ये लिखेंगे तो आपको एक्सप्लेन करना आसान पड़ेगा. Of the given circle with circumference C1 and C2, RLY means respectively. Let C be the circumference. ये given है तो जो required है उसको C लेंगे, circumference radius R लेंगे. Let C be the circumference of the required circle with radius equal to R. आपको क्या दे रखा है? You are given that the circumference of the required circle is sum of the circumference of given circle. C equal to C1 plus C2. This is very important. ये step बहुत ज़्यादा important है. C is you have taken radius as R. Formula for finding circumference is 2 pi R. C1 का radius R1. 2 pi R1 plus 2 pi R2. 2 pi is coming common. You can cancel it. And in mensuration, try to solve the equation as far as possible. And after that, write the values. That implies R is equal to R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2 is 19 centimeter plus 9 centimeter implies R is equal to 28 centimeter. This is the first question. Now second question. Second question I am reading. The radius of, let me check once more. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to sum of the areas of two circles. In this question, area is given. Sum of the areas is given. In the previous question, sum of the circumference is given. So, question number 2. Let R1 be and R2 be the radius of the given circle with areas for comfortability. आपको लिखने की comfortability के लिए ऐसे लिखना है with areas A1, capital A1, capital A2 respectively. Now let A be the area of the required circle. Area of the required circle. जैसे पिछले क्वेश्चन में किया था with radius small r. क्या दे रखा है? You are given that required the area of the required circle is equal to sum of the areas of given two circle A1 plus A2. And formula for finding area of circle is pi r square. Pi r square is equal to A1 means pi r1 square because we are assumed radius is r1 plus pi r2 square. तो mensuration में पहले formula लिख करके solve करके last step में value डालना. You will not be wrong. The pi is getting cancelled. That is r square is equal to r1 square plus r2 square. What is r1 you are given? You are given r1 equal to 8 centimeter and r2 is equal to let me check 6 centimeter. By replacing this we will get 8 centimeter whole square plus 6 centimeter whole square, that is 64 cm square plus 36 cm square, that is 100 cm square. Therefore r is equal to 100 root of 100 cm. मैंने cm square को बाहर लिया, cm आएगा, that is 10 cm. In mensuration unit should be mentioned, otherwise half mark will get deducted. That is very important. Now next question number 3 is like this. That is, see, there is a archery target marked with 5 scoring regions. This one is given. This you can do by yourself. If you have any problem, then you ask me, because this question is too long. There are 5 regions: gold colored, red colored, blue colored, black colored and white colored. And if you how we can find the area, region between two circles, that I will say. Suppose that you are given like this. How we can find the area of this region? ये एरिया निकालने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? बड़ा सर्कल में से छोटा सर्कल का एरिया माइनस करना. That is, if I are taking the circle radius of bigger circle is scalar, radius of smaller circle is smaller, then area of region can be found out using the formula pi r square by pi r square. इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में pi कॉमन लेना, then r square by r square. As I told you, first of all simplify the formula, then write the values. That is pi into r plus r into r minus r. तो आपको बड़े बड़े नंबर देंगे तो उसको स्कोर करने की दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. Now last question of this exercise is, and fifth question is MCQ. The wheel of a car are of diameter. This question is very important. You can expect this question for 3 marks for board examination. I am reading the question. The wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? There is a car and diameter of car is given as 80 centimeter. Listen carefully. In mensuration you have to think one more thing, that is conversion of unit. Unit किसी में कुछ है तो आपको same में convert करना है. If you have to change smaller unit to bigger unit, you have to multiply. Smaller unit, this you should remember. Smaller unit to bigger, then you have to multiply. And bigger unit to smaller, then you have to smaller unit to bigger unit, you have to divide, छोटा पड़ जाएगा. और bigger to smaller you have to multiply. This thing you must know, that is 1 meter. If you are changing into centimeter, you are multiplying by 100. 1 centimeter you are changing into meter, you have to divide by 100. This thing you must know. तो बिगर यूनिट को स्मॉलर यूनिट में चेंज करते तो मल्टीप्लाई करना है, स्मॉलर को बिगर में करते वक्त डिवाइड करना है. नाउ how many complete revolution each wheel make 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? One is given in kilometer, one is given in centimeter. So that and speed is given in hour. You are asked to find in 10 minutes. So first of all, let us change the unit of length in same. That is diameter of the wheel. Diameter of the wheel is equal to 80 centimeter. Therefore radius, this is fourth question, radius of the wheel of the car, radius of the wheel of the car, wheel means should be having with car only, radius of the wheel is equal to 40 centimeter. and speed is given in kilometer and this is given in centimeter. So let us convert these two into meter. How we can convert centimeter to meter? By dividing by 100. 40 by 100, that is 0.4 meter. Now suppose that this is rolling, मैंने इसको ऐसे रख दिया, U move हो गया, तो एक बार व्हील मूव करेंगे तो उसका सरकमफ्रेंस टच होगा ग्राउंड पे. तो डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय द व्हील इन वन रिवोल्यूशन इज सरकमफ्रेंस. डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय द व्हील इन वन रिवोल्यूशन, एक बार घूमेंगे, इज इक्वल टू circumference. Circumference is C, that is 2 pi r. That is 2 into pi is given to be taken as I think 22 by 7. 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.4 meter. Let n be the total number of revolution. Let be the कितने total number of revolution, कितना revolution होगा घूमेगा, total number of revolution. Therefore, total distance covered by the wheel of the car is equal to n into circumference, that is n into 2 into last में एक साथ 22 by 7 into 0.4 meter. लास्ट में एक साथ हम कैंसिल करेंगे, एक बार कैंसिल करेंगे, वो इस स्टेप में गलती होगी, आगे में गलती होगा. नाउ distance covered by, given that distance covered by the wheel, speed कितना दे रखा है, speed is 66 km per hour. That means 1 hour it is covering distance of 66, but we want the distance in 10 minutes. Distance covered by, given that distance covered by the wheel in 1 hour. इसमें से समझना है कि 66 km per hour means 1 hour car is traveling distance of 66 km. In 1 hour is equal to 66 km. Again we have to change in meter, that is multiply by 1000, 66,000 meter. Now distance same है, by the wheel in 1 minute कितना होगा, 1 hour से 1 minute में करने के लिए upon 60, लास्ट में एक साथ करेंगे मीटर. Now how many, in which minute you are asked to find out distance covered by car, distance covered by wheel in 10 minutes. Wheel in 10 minutes. MTS means 10 minutes. That is 66,000 upon 60 into 10 minutes. ये cancel हो रहा है. That is, this is 11. That is 11,000 meter. This is 2. This is the distance covered by the wheel in terms of number of revolution. This is the distance covered by the wheel in terms of meter. Both are same. That is 1 equal to 2 gives. So 1 equal to 2 gives n into 22 by 7 into 0.4 is equal to 11,000. Now if you change it, you will get n is equal to 11,000 into 7 upon 22 into 0.4. इसको you have to solve this by yourself. ये आपको खुद को solve करना पड़ेगा. Let me check once more. 2 pi r. One thing we forgot, 2 pi r n into 2 pi r. 2 pi r आएगा. 2 लिखना भूल गए. अब पिछले स्टेप में भी अगर 2 लिखा नहीं तो लिख लेना. n into 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.4 equal to 11,000. Therefore, n is equal to 11,000 into 7 by 22 into 0.4 into 2. Let me check once more. This much is the given condition. Now if you change it in 0.4, actually 40 centimeter, इसको मीटर में चेंज करते वक्त 40 upon 100 होता है. 0.40 भी लिख सकते हैं, 0.4 भी लिख सकते हैं. That means 11,000 into 7 into, I am changing this 0.4 by 22 into 4 into 2. 11,000 into 7 into 10 upon 2 into 22 into 4 into 2. Let me check. That is, if you solve this, you will get it as 4375. That is, required number of revolution equal to 4375. This question में equation 1 में I have rubbed it If I haven't written 2, you have to do write it by yourself. आप खुद लिखना है 2 pi r है तो 2 into 22/7 into 0.4 आएगा. तो ये 2 अगर पिछले स्टेप में रह गया तो आप देखते वक्त उसको रेक्टिफाई करना. फिर n into 2 into 22/7 into 0.4 equal to 11,000. इसमें से n आएगा 4375. In this question, one thing you have to be careful. First one is converting to same unit, as well as from speed we can find distance. I hope that you have understood all these things. And question 5 also you can do as homework, because it is MCQ. If you have any problem, then you can ask me. And today in this chapter we have studied, first of all, what do you mean by circle? Area of circle is pi r square, circumference of circle is 2 pi r, and the central angle is angle made by an arc at the center. The sector is the region bounded by an arc with 2 radii and joining endpoints, and center angle is noted theta, and segment is the region bounded by an arc and the chord joining endpoints of the arc. Sector area can be found out using the formula theta by 316 pi r square, and segment area is area of sector minus area of triangle, and length of arc of circle is theta by 316 2 pi r. And do all these questions, and the homework question number 3 and 5. If you have queries, you can ask me. Thank you.